Want to fix a lagging or missing keyboard on your iPhone? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can fix it. The first thing you want to do is make sure you're running the latest version of the iOS. To check, you want to open up your settings. Now, you want to select the option of General. Here you have the option of Software Update, select that. Now install the latest update. This should resolve underlying bugs that cause keyboard delays. Next thing you want to do is close any background apps that may be draining resources. For that, swipe up from the bottom, then swipe each app off the top of the screen to quit it. Return to your home screen, then open the Notes app. And now you want to test your keyboard's responsiveness. If the keyboard still lags or fails to appear, then you again want to head over to your settings. Tap on General, scroll all the way down and select Transfer or Reset Phone. Then select the Reset option. Here you want to select the option of Reset Keyboard Dictionary. This clears any corrupted entries without affecting your other data. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.